everybody, welcome back. So we are going to do a little look with our Ace Beaute Grandiose Palette. We got this a few months back in our Boxy Charm, and I tested it then and liked the palette, just hadn't used it. Here's what it looks like. Of course, I should show you what the inside looks like, but obviously I'm going to be a little bit stingy about that. So this is a little sample of a new Drunk Elephant cream. It's a retinol cream you can use during the day or at night that was sent to me in, I think, one of my purchases from Sephora. And they recommend you mix it with the Drunken Elephant oil, which I just happen to have some of. So I did that, and it, there was enough for about 2 uses, so I'm not sure that I can give you an opinion on whether the stuff works or not. But, so, yes, I will struggle with this for a few minutes. I'm getting ready to show you the oil I used, and this is just a deluxe sample from when I bought the oil with the baby facial stuff. And the name of the oil is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. So, yes. So I'll wipe my hands off, and then we'll get started on the eye. And later in the video, I'll skip through the rest of my face, and then we'll come back. I did try to put lashes on. I am just not having any luck with lashes lately. So I am going to put on my MAC Painterly Pot to put a base down for my eyes. I will tell you that the past week or so I have not been using a primer, and I'm not sure why, but my eyeshadow is sticking or staying better, so I'm continuing to test that. And yeah, we're just going to put this on our lid and a little bit below our eye because I have horrible dark circles. Horrible. My nose happened to be really red this day, and sometimes when my nose is really red, I will also put some of it on my nose. I saw Nikia Joy do that. I think that's her name. Just trying to cover up some of my blemishes. So I am going to also put some of the Becca brightening treatment under my eye. See if that helps some. This is kind of like a salmon color, much creamier than a Painterly pot or the MAC pots. And I think that it does pay off, but I have to be wearing a pretty heavy foundation for it to all work and not slide off my face. Welcome to my morning face. I've got red spots all over my face. Not right now. I've been backing off of all the face products, and that's helped clear up my skin quite a bit. So we're collecting brushes to start working on our lids. I don't know what is going on. I'm trying to just pack some of that on my eye. pat it in so it's not just sitting there. I want it absorbed a little bit. This is a morning video. This is about how quickly I move in the morning. So the first shade that I'm going into there to set my eye with is Patchouli. You see all the smoke coming up off of it, or the powder, should I say. I always think it looks like something's on fire. Nothing's on fire, I promise. So I'm going to kind of speed this up a little bit for you guys, and I'll be back in a minute to talk about my thoughts. everybody. So we're wrapping up this eye look here. So all in all, I really do like this palette. I have so many palettes that are just so similar to it. I don't know that it will make it through my next declutter, but for a palette that came in a Boxy Charm, it is really a gorgeous palette. I hope you guys enjoy what you see. I'm really trying to go through all the palettes I have. I'm sorry, my face is out of the frame there. But I'm really trying to go through all my palettes so that you can see what works, what doesn't, what works for me, what I'm enjoying, what's probably going to go in the next giveaway or declutter. So what do you think? Alright everybody, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.